Okay, what we're doing today is just patching a deer lease trailer. It's just an old trailer that we've gutted and we just use it to sleep in. But we're fixing a few leaks that we had on there. And what we've got here is just some thin gauge aluminum that we're cutting to patch over it. And we're going to use some of this elastic crack sealer and repair roof patch. And that should fix it up. Okay, what we've got here is a leaking trailer roof that has been patched, and the patch has failed. And what we're going to do today is pull this old patch off, clean it up, and patch it correctly. And we're going to walk through this whole process. First thing we're doing is we're sweeping the roof off, get all the excess water and leaves off so we can have a clean, dry surface to work with. We're taking the old patch off, clean it up to put a new patch on. Alright, we've got the old patch off, and now all we've got to do is clean the surface around it to get better adhesion when we put the new patch down. The wire wheel would work real good right now, but you use what you got. Okay, we got both areas cleaned and prepped, ready to put some sealant down, and then we'll put the patches on. Spreading the sealer around the hole before we put the patch down. Okay, we're putting the patch on right over the top of all the putty, pushing it down, pushing all the air out, and then we'll screw that down around the edges and put more putty over the top of that to seal the screws. And one more screw. Now that should be good enough. We're to hold it down. We'll just putty around over the top of that, seal those in, and let her dry. There's a small patch done. Okay, we've already spread the putty around, and we're laying down the patch now, pressing it into the putty, pressing all the air out, getting a good seal down to the roof. And then we'll come around and secure it with the screws and then putty over the top of this and let it dry, and we should have a watertight seal. Okay, we've got both patches completed. They're not the prettiest things in the world, but the goal here is that they do not leak, which these should not.